Oh, it does have an applicator on it. Okay. It's actually not as bright as it looks. For me, it seems like it's a little dark. So, first thing I want to do is practice putting the piece where it goes, and then we'll put glue on it. And what we'll do is we'll put the glue on the actual, so we'll put the glue here where it's going to be attached as opposed to putting it on the piece. What a beast. Wow. We're going to grab another cup of coffee and turn on the light. All right, we're back. We have our coffee. We brought in more light. You probably can't see much difference because you got the really bright window in the background. But when we're working on this stuff, we'll crop it out. But this helps me. I can see this a lot better. So I want to see how the part fits a little bit better first, and then I'm going to dab the spot with cement. But there's no rush. We want to do this right the first time. So it's almost like it fits. Yeah. It fits. There's a little bit of a groove there for it to go in. And that's the important part that I have to make sure it fits. All right. With that being said, use in well ventilated areas, tight and kept securely after each use, wash up with water. For adult modelers only, ages 14 and above. It's extra thin cement. Extremely flammable, and the vapors are harmful. So you're supposed to be in an open area. So what that means to me is, I'm not sure. What that means to me is we won't linger. We'll dab the spot. Like that. Put the lid back on. Oh yeah, you can smell it from here. Now I can see why you talked about you need to have. Okay. Put the part here. I may not have put on enough glue. Nope. There. We kind of squeezed the part between the two ribs so it would lay flat. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do now, we'll do the next one. Oh, not enough glue. Okay. Maybe I need more than one type of glue. Don't know if I like this extra thin stuff or not. Look at that, it's drying before I'm even able to put it on there. It's already dry. Jeepers creepers. Okay. So I think it's better to put it on the actual part and not the model, the frame itself. Matter of fact, we'll open the windows. All right, we've opened the windows to ensure we have ventilation. Even if it is 30 degrees outside. I just realized what I said. I said, that's not the way, this is the way. Imagine this cement will last a long time. There. So, one thing about models, like in this case, this is not a toy. The tracks don't move. The tracks don't move. So someone's not going to be playing with this thing. That's a good thing, because the way this is assembled, I can see things falling apart pretty easily. Because the slots would be, I think the slots would have to be better done. Sometimes pieces don't fit like they should. That's one side. See, my fingers are too big to pick this up. I just slide this in here. Alright, we'll just continue doing the way we were doing it. See, because they're supposed to fit right in there. You did it on the other side. See, they fit in the slot, but not very well. They don't they don't fit like they should. They could have at least made, even if they made them a little bit smaller than the slot they're going into, the glue would hold it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're just going to put it a little below the slot then. I think that's probably the best way to... I'm not going to keep fighting this. I'm not happy with it, but since no other part connects to it, and I don't think anybody's going to... Only you will see it if you come look at my tank. Because this part's going to be within the track well. Okay, we're going back to putting the glue where it goes. That's the hard part. I put a little bit on there and it's drying before I even can put this thing back in my fingers. All right, this one we're trying putting on both spots. And then sliding it into place. Two more. Looks like that's working better. Put a little glue on the part, a little glue on the slot, put it down right below the slot, slide it into the slot. Only took me 10 pieces to figure that out, with 2 remaining. All right, that's good for now. We've done this part, these 2 parts here. Next is to assemble this part. We might do that later today. We'll see. So, till next part. You won't realize it, but there's been quite a bit of time since I first started the video and to now. I've been procrastinating. So, we will not procrastinate any longer. We will do like someone has suggested, and we will post a video once a week, even if it's only a 5 or 10 minute video, but we will post a video once a week on our progress on building the KV2. The reason I'm afraid of failure, that's the reason why I haven't done anything.